Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, remote vehicle start, four-wheel disc brakes. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.